Hi beautiful people, hope you all are keeping safe and healthy. My name is Vansha Saying, or you can call me Winnie, and a very warm welcome to Stories We Love. Today I'll be showing you these everyday wearable looks which only takes 2 to 3 minutes of your time. There are days when you want a bold smoky eye but don't want to spend a good chunk of amount in doing so. Worry not, I'm here with this quick way of getting this look. You want to start by applying an eyeliner. I'm using this gel liner by Jordane. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna smudge it. For this purpose, you want to use a dense brush which makes it easier to smudge. I'm also holding the brush very close to the tip as it gives me more control of the application. Taking the shade Mercury from my Subculture palette, I'm going to put the shadow first on the applied liner, then build it all over the lid. Next, I'll put on some nude or beige eyeliner on my waterline. You can also use a black Kohl to get a more intense look. Let's finish the eyes with this mascara from Benefit. Apply multiple coats on both top and bottom lashes. That's it, we have our first finished look. Our second look is going to be a soft and very romantic pink eye look. Start by applying a rosy pink shade all over the lid. I'm using my nude brick from LA Girl. If you're not applying the shadow on your lower lash line, remember to keep the color inside the outer V of your eye. Next, with the help of a flat brush, I'm going to apply this Cherry Blossom Pink Cream eyeshadow from Revlon on my entire lid. Putting this white Kohl from Deborah Milano on my waterline and using my Bad Girl Mascara on both the top and bottom lashes. Let's finish this look with this Milani lip plumper in shade Moonlight. I'm gonna let my hair down. And we have our look too. Honestly, this look is so perfect for date nights. I know we all love a traditional wing liner, but nowadays graphic liners are so trending, and this one specifically is inspired from Shay Michelle. I'm going to start by applying this olive green eyeliner from NYX. Apply it on your lash line and extend it like you would for a regular wing. Now instead of connecting the wing, you'd rather want to draw a half circle like this, almost touching the inner corner. Use your brow bone as a guide to draw the floating wing. There are so many different ways you can do a graphic liner. There are inspirations everywhere. Taking the same Bad Girl mascara from Benefit, I'm applying it on both the top and bottom lashes. You can wear this look to day events, clubs or house parties even. Here is look 3 complete. You can switch the colors depending upon your wardrobe, your color choices, the event or the time of the day. Now this look fits in the category of minimalism. I have some pigmentation on my eyes, and to even it out, I'm going to use this nudish brown shade from this Revlon quad palette and apply it all over the lid. Now this isn't my favorite palette as it is not very pigmented, but for this trick it does the job. Now I'm adding a light shadow on the outer V to give some depth to the eye. Now here comes the fun part. Take a color of your choice and apply it in the inner corner of the eye. I know this looks simple, but it takes precision as it is very easy to end up with this instead of this. I feel this look goes best when the color is matched with the color of the outfit. My favorite are these two. Add some black Kohl to the waterline and some mascara on both the top and bottom lashes. And if you have a spare minute or two, add a wing liner. I decided to skip one and keep it really minimalist. The last and final look is this basic green eyeshadow. I'm taking my Norvina Volume 3 palette and apply this light green on my crease with the help of a small shadow brush. I like to use the windshield motion to blend my shadow. Now with the help of a big dense brush, I'm going to first put this green all over my lid and then blend it in the crease. Taking a small blending brush, I'm going to apply this shimmer shade on the inner corner of my eyes and under the brows and blend it nicely. For this look, I wanted the emphasis on the green on the lids. So I'm applying a nude Kohl on my waterline. I'm applying the mascara only to the top lashes. Taking the same light green shadow we started with, I'm applying it with the same brush on the lower lash line. So that's all. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you guys next month. Bye.